Diabetes is a very serious disease. When a human got this disease, he cannot get out of it. According to Ministry of Health in UAE, statistics shows that 1 out of 5 people aged 20 to 79 lives with this disease. There are special treatments should be taken to reduce the effect of the disease. That we will come to it later. First of all, you must know and understand what is the diabetes. It is a disease that occurs due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or because cells of the body do not respond properly to the insulin that is produced. Of course, there are different types of diabetes, mainly considered to be 3 types. First type results from the body's failure to produce insulin. This form was previously referred as insulin-dependent diabetes. In UAE, 5% of people live with this type of diabetes. Second type results from the insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fail to use insulin properly. This form was previously referred as adult onset diabetes. About 93% of people with diabetes have second type. Third type, gestational diabetes, is occur when a pregnant woman without a previous diagnosis of diabetes develop a high blood glucose level. Almost all pregnant women got this type, but to get rid of this type of diabetes, they need to follow special diet with doctor instructions. Nowadays, people are suffering because of the diabetes. But it's strange that still the number of people with diabetes is increasing. The question now is come to say, why? People are aware of the diabetes. They are not learn from old people's mistake. If we come to see the amount of people with diabetes, we will be shocked. In 2013, Ministry of Health alert for 300,000 people with hidden diabetes. So assume how many it will be in coming years. Government are doing their best to prevent people from diabetes, but they initiate the awareness to people through the schools, universities, streets, and clinics. Also, they are willing to pay a huge amount of money, and they are doing that to prevent people from diabetes. A survey was done to find out the reasons behind the diabetes, and the study found that 70% are that due to the lifestyle, 25% due to genetic, remaining 5% is due to other reasons. Most of people in the UAE are using the car even for the short trip and not trying to exercise their body by walking or use the bicycle. And the reason behind that, as per them, is that hot weather or other reason that is not should be followed. Everybody is asking how I can know if I have diabetes or not. There are many signs and symptoms shows that you are diabetic, such as weight loss, frequent urination, always feel thirsty and hungry, but normally these signs are developed slowly, or it may be absent for many years before you know that you are getting the diabetes. The most important is to visit the doctor and ensure you are away from diabetes. After years of holding the diabetes, your body will start to suffer. The vision of the eyes will reduce because of high blood glucose. People can reduce the effect of diabetes by changing their lifestyle, being more active and doing exercises. Also by following a good diet and eat a healthy food such as beans, fish, avocado, vegetables, fruits, and frequently visit the doctor. Live without health is the worst. With your health, you can do whatever you like, whatever you need. Think if your health is gone. Can you do that? The most advantage that you have than the others is your health. If you have money without health, what you can do with your money? Listen to this carefully, please. Health bring money, but money cannot bring health. And if you need to prove that, visit diabetes hospital and ask the people which have diabetes, what is your hopes and wishes?